Hear me, I said I'm a Nigeria boy representing for King Mix-Up, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know how we do. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But just a couple of topics I want to get into. Not in any particular order, so that's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with Boom Boom World Selector, because as you can see, he's constructing a mansion in the ghetto, Grand Spend to be exact. You see me, I say, and in this comment section is a lot of mixed, how should I say, reviews, because some of them is telling him, you know, him should have built it somewhere else. You know what I mean? Some people are saying when you stop feed them, that's when them come and take your things. You see me? Because you know they get a hot and all it takes is a lot of flair to spark up the place. You see me? I say, in my opinion, I will get to that at the end, but it kind of reminds me of my father's situation. Like I said, the ghetto is hot and all it takes is one spark to flare up things. You see me? I say, you know, we say him, when he make him money, him buy a big house on the hilltop, or build him house on the hilltop. You see me, I say out of the ghetto, but you know, his son is a frequent video visitor because his mom still lives there. And you know, things happen, I don't have to explain. You know what I mean? But with Boom Boom situation, you know, he keeps his parties in Grand Spend. You know what I mean? So he's making our money. You see me, I say. But yeah, like I said, this is our investment thing, because you know him do enough business, supermarket and host party there, so, you know what I mean, him that's a sure love to the community, so them not yamming food, you know, because you know how it is, but I don't advise people to do this, you know what I mean, if you're not help the community, them are gonna yam your food and think you're show off upon them, you know what I mean, so I best for move, you know, to a nice gated mix, ethnic, area. But anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Baga, because people couldn't understand the other day how MC Nuffy did that disrespect Tanya Stephens wicked. You see me, I say, if you didn't catch it, let's take a little listening.
Most artists you have artists that can perform. Valiant is a good performer. You understand? King is a good performer. TJ did well, did a great job. Great performer, one of the youth them ever be a stalwart entertainer in the business. So me not tell you about no who take no show, nothing. I'm just explaining about the show.
So after that clip was posted on his IG page, you see people saying, you is a nobody in a dancehall, you're only poking the bear. What's really your talent? You and Foota high boat, you had this Tanya and a catch. A girl you had have to push your head on the frack. On wedding day for green card. Where you not get? Cause you would have get it already. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy. But anyway, like I said, MC Nuffy has since apologized to Tanya Stephens, so let's hear what he has to say.
Top of the day, I want to make this public apology to Miss Tanya Stephens. She's an icon that I respect and I rate, and at times we see things and we attack it from certain angles. But I'm a Jamaican who love my Jamaican brand when it comes on to dancehall and reggae music. You understand? I don't like to disrespect my brand, my Jamaican brand music, when it comes on to the brand like a Sting, a Sunfest, and all these shows you can name it. Once it's show business and show name, I don't try to disrespect it. You know, the reason for me to go at Tanya is because she said she's not going back to the event. But separate and apart from that, Miss Tanya Stephens, I just only did want you to cuss Joe and the staff. But in the humblest way, I want to say this apology to you, because I come at you and you never come at me yet. And you're one of the stalwart in the business who set trend, set pace, a lyricist, a lady that I respect so much, but you know we Jamaican always stay. You understand? So I want to send out my humblest apology to you, because you never disrespect me. You never tell me something I read. You never look for me in no way or no form or no shape and violate me. So, and I want to tell you the truth. If my brother did say the video that I said, the things that I said about y'all, I never said anything that very disrespectful, that much, but I feel it disrespectful, so I have to come and apologize. You would look at me and say, Dan, that's my artist. You need to go and apologize to her. So I want to apologize to you. And Mr. Vegas, as a big brother, will reach out to me and say, Nuffy, you need to apologize to this lady, because she's a very important lady to us in this music business, because I respect her just like how I respect ladies and other female entertainer in the business. So, Miss Tanya Stephens, this is coming from Andrew Nelson, aka MC Nuffy. I sit on the podcast and I say what I have to say, because that's Nuffy, and that podcast was Dancehall Hot Seat. So you know me that forgot the thing hot. So I want to say apologize. I want to say I apologize to you in the most respectful way. And it's coming from me, MC Nuffy, Andrew Nelson, in my humblest of way. Love, manners, and respect. One of our Jamaican icon, or stalwart, a lady that should be getting an award in the business from the government, and I don't see she get it yet. But anyway, Miss Tanya Stephens, I apologize to you in 3 minutes. Bang!
Yeah, so he just made that apology earlier today. So if Tanya Stephens accepts or declines or, reacts and answers it, I will surely let you know. You see my answer? So yeah, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, just a quick update on this Jamaican judge mix-up with Donald Trump. As you can see, he demands her to be off of his case. You know what I mean? And in my opinion, I don't think it's because she's, Chinese. I don't know what she's mixes, if she's Chinese black. You know what I mean? But I think it's because she's a Jamaican. You know what I mean? Right now, Trump can't trust Jamaicans too much, because we see them a roll with Biden, with Miss Harris. You see me? And we know Trump is no more racist than Biden. You know what I mean? The two of them floating at the same boat. We have to keep it real. But everything is making sense. You know what I mean? This out of many one, or out of many one, blah, blah, whatever, Jamaican motto is the same as the American motto, as you can see in front of you. That's why I don't understand when black people in Jamaica talk so bad about how America deal with the things, not knowing that them in the same boat, but through them feel like them white, because of this motto makes everybody one. Them feel like them in a better situation, but it look like Uncle Sam is using this model now with these mixed breeds, putting them in high power. Just to stray the people them away. That's why we say Andrew Holden is ready for the LGBZ 100 thing when the Republic comes around. You know what I mean? And I be making posts like this in front of you on a regular on Instagram. So if you are interested, just follow me on there. You see me? But that's to give you that update while going from that to go on. You see me? Since we have been, reviewing it since we're there, yeah. You know what I mean? But anyway, let's proceed to the next. And now, Foota Hype is questioning Andrew Holness and the rest of the government giving a Trini, Daddy, and this big honor on Independence Day. You know what I mean? Like, with lack of artists, you see me? And he posted a video of Screechy asking Andrew Holness what really are going on. You see me? So let's take a listen.
Yeah, man, a Screechy Joe there at I done exercise and I breeze out there. See me? I say? Because I say I think go on a stadium last night, up our Grand Gala, what them call it. Then give Manchel Montana the key to Kingston. So we say, no artist not that Jamaica again. Want to a Bersa, man. Want to a Barrington leave. See? Freddie no sick if you know answer him, if you know do something for him, man. Make him before him dead and do that something there. Why never give Freddie McGregor as a man one for honor? The key to Kingston. Where say no more artists on the boy, want to Bob Marley Pitney, want to Jimmy Cliff. Trinidad do not go for Mantel, Montana, where Mantel. Me never know him name, Bridget. I'm then get the keys to Kingston. So I go on, man. So you see how the people them deal with music, boy, and reggae music. Manchel Montana come from Trinidad. Or if you get the key to the Kingston. How I go on, boy? Eh? No artist not that Jamaica. Look how much superstar the boy. See? Better wanna give Shaggy, man, as a man who sell Diamond and Sean Paul, cause them do the work. See? Jamaica. We are Trinidad and go for a man and give this something the key to Kingston. Never see this side, yeah. Come like if we just pack up the whole away, every artist, every entertainer, and just left out and go live somewhere different. Come, I can't understand them people. How them a did virgin? Manchel Montana, the key to Kingston. Look how much artists they in Jamaica, great artists. Why them people are wicked in a virgin? I want to them people who are around the thing, people control culture and so them control this and that. That's how I did reggae music. Oh. But like you no can't get the money them again for thief. All of the people, you no can't get the money them again for thief. So now go on, you no can't spite it. Artists are right, you know. I just bad man and grudgeful. Come on, you no go wear Trinidad for man. What name? I never remember what name, you know. And get the key to Kingston. I'm on TV, I'm watching and see that pan, you know. Yeah. I pay that thing I go on to Jamaica. You see me I tell you now. Yeah man. Artists me begging just go and do nothing and take care of yourself. Save on the money and set up some business and do nothing. Cause I pay wicked people the boy. Yeah man. Cause them go for the money from Trojan, you know. And them get it, you know, and them not give no artists none, you know. We know everything we go on boy, you know. Want to the money the Trojan pay out. Who collect the money? Want to the people, them. Who no pay nobody, or nobody no get the money. No found no watch, you know. No can't sing. We can't DJ, we don't fight against music, we don't fight against everything in reggae music, we don't fight against it, but here still, we don't go thief the money when the money them for come. I pay a wicked the boy, man, we know everything where I go on. Trinidad don't go. When name Manchel Montana, how we want name, and get the key to Kingston. Them wicked boy, yeah man, I hate that.
And honestly, I'm not surprised because I understand or overstand this outer many one blah 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 foolishness is a scam. You know what I mean? And the Indians, them in Jamaica, is more related to the Indians in Trinidad. You see what I said? They're family. You know what I mean? And whether they're Indian or not, they're more workable with Trinidad, the island, because, you know, the colonial masters don't want Haiti and Jamaicans to unite. Well, the black ones at least. You see what I said? But put in the comment section, what do you think about that? I'm not going to long out this no longer. Just giving them quick update channel there. Yeah, you see me. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I do drop another. Bless.